I'm recording. Gli indicatori di direzione vanno azionati, we've said this in already, con sufficiente anticipo, sufficiently, with time. Is it clear? Ogni volta che, anytime we be say number one, you want to do any manovra di svolta, you want to do any action of turning, you want to change corsia, cambio di corsia, manovra di retromarcia, you want to do revise. They use manovra there because manovra is the action you are taking. Number two, per segnalare l'immissione in una carreggiata. What does it mean? Now, your car was parked outside the carreggiata. You want to now enter. Is it clear? They call it partenza. You have to put indicatore di direzione. So everybody coming from the strada principale, we know that, yeah, this guy wants to enter back. Is it clear? Provenendo da una corsia di accelerazione. Yes, from corsia di accelerazione. When you're about to emerge into that strada principale, you have to put your indicatore di direzione. Per segnalare l'intenzione di spostarsi nella corsia di decelerazione. Yes, it makes sense. When you're about to go out, after driving from the strada principale, you want to now go out, you use your you use your indicator di direzione to tell everybody that, look, about to enter inside what they call corsia di decelerazione. Se si intende uscire dalla carreggiata per effettuare una fermata, yes, you want to go out of the carreggiata because you want to do fermata, you put it on. Quando, partendo dal margine della carreggiata, when you are going away from the carreggiata, now, because you were in the carreggiata before, you're about to now go out of the carreggiata because you want to re-enter into the principal road. Quando, partendo from the margin of the carreggiata, ci si vuole immettere nella circolazione. You want to emerge back into the driving. They say you go on. Quando si inizia un sorpasso, guys, whenever you don't start overtaking, when you want to start overtaking, remember, because with your trafficator light, that's what tells every other person that you want to overtake. That's what tell people that you want to overtake. You put your trafficator light. Indicatore di direzione sinistro. Is it clear? Per impegnare la corsia di sinistra. You put your left lane, your trafficator light to tell people say you want to enter into the left lane. E quando lo si termina, even when you end it. Is it clear? Anche quando lo si termina. Is it clear now, guys? You put your trafficator light to tell them you want to you want to overtake from the left. When you don't re-enter back, you put it also by the right to tell people that you want to enter back. Is it clear? That is what they call indicatore di destro per tornare nella propria corsia. Watch. Non è vero. Yes, ma.
Because you said if I want to, that is, if I want to overtake,
Yes.
that's if I want to do overtaking,
Yes.
I will on the left side.
Exactly. You on your left. Because you can only overtake from the left, Abi. You on your left one. Now, when you're about to enter again, you don't finish to overtake. You finish overtaking. You want to now enter back into the right lane. You on your trafficator light to the right again. To tell people that I'm about to re-enter back. You see it now? All right. Now the con say, non è vero che it is false for you to say il loro uso non è necessario nella marcia per file parallele. It is false for you to say the use of this trafficator light is not useful whenever you are driving file parallele. I'm in this class. By now, you all should know the meaning of file parallele. File parallele means you are driving side by side. It is false for you to say it is not necessary that we use our trafficator light when you are driving per file parallele. Anche se non si effettuano cambiamenti di corsia o per almeno 500 metri dopo aver effettuato un sorpasso. It doesn't make sense. It is not true that the use of, now, il loro uso è necessario. Now, è necessario. It's not true. Now, you are driving file parallele. Wetin go make you, why, because you are driving file parallele, why will you now, why will you now on trafficator light? You are driving file parallele. And I believe, go and search what is file parallele. I've taught you guys before. I will not show you pictures. Now, they said, it's not true that you need to on your trafficator light. Is it clear now? It's not also true that, anche se non si effettuano cambiamenti di corsia, o per almeno 500 metri dopo aver effettuato un sorpasso. It's not true that for at least 500 meters after you don't do an overtaking, that it's not necessary. Il loro uso is necessary that for at least 500 meters after you don't do overtaking. Now, after 500 meters is far. It's not true that you need to continue putting your trafficator light after 500 meters. You don't overtake the person already. 500 meters in front of the person. No need, because you already enter inside. When you enter back, you off it. It works like this. Before you overtake, you on your trafficator light to tell people in your back, even people in your front, that you want to overtake. In case somebody wants to start the action, we've done this thing already when we were talking about norme di sopasso. Now, when you now start overtaking, leave your trafficator light on, because it has to be left on during that distance. Even when you want to now enter back again, leave it on to tell people that you want to enter back. So the person in your back will not overspeed. So the person can still allow you to enter back. All right, that's the use of indicatore di direzione. Is there any question here? Now we now have what they call lampeggio simultaneo dell'indicatore di direzione. Please, guys, please make a noise. This particular one is very important.
Tell the person to move.
Now, wow. Now, lampeggio simultaneo dell'indicatore di. Now, this one is very important. On that name, they call this particular guy, it's called quattro frecce. Quattro frecce. They call it quattro frecce. That's on that name they call it. Lampeggio simultaneo. Now, simultaneously, everything will blink. Lampeggio simultaneo dell'indicatore di. Everything will blink. Check, 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 check. Something like this. Is it clear? Everything will be blinking to tell everybody that, look, oh, my car get issue. Something happened. Avaria or guasto. Is it clear? Let me show you. Let me see if we can find a picture of the spia. Now, look at it here. This is what you find in your car. This is how the button looks like. If you press it, some people own it, they stay for their volante. Some people they stay very in the middle of the dashboard there. Is it clear? Once you press it, it starts blinking. The front now, what happens? The anterior light, the two lights in the front, and the two lights in the blank, they will start to the blink. They will blink fast, 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 fast. Is it clear now? Let us now read it. They said, watch. Il lampeggio simultaneo di tutti l'indicator. Everything go dey blink, both the front and back. They call it quattro frecce. Va azionate. Now they say you need to on it, number one. Nei casi di ingombro della carreggiata. Even if I've not sent you the video, I'll call up a student. You will tell us an example of ingombro della carreggiata. Let me see. All right. Let me call Mr. Henry. An example of ingombro della carreggiata. All right, let me call that person. Mr. Jeffrey. Example of ingombro della carreggiata. All right. Mr. Win. Example of ingombro della carreggiata.
Huh?
Yeah. Ingombro della carreggiata.
Maybe your car spoil or your pour for ground.
Exactly. Maybe your car spoil or your load fell on the ground. So these people are called when no answer. That means we just finished. Now they wait. Even if I send a video, you don't go watch them. I don't know. All right, let's continue. Now they can say in a case of ingombro della carreggiata, and you should know by now what it means. They say you need to on your 4 lights on your quattro frecce. Number 2, durante il tempo necessario a collocare o riprendere il segnale mobile triangolo di pericolo, ma non in sostituzione del triangolo. Now let me take you back to the memory lane. We did this in last week. We talked about segnale mobile di triangolo di pericolo. I'll call up a student. You will tell us everything you remember about. I bet fast. What you remember about this triangolo mobile di pericolo. So we'll continue because they just mentioned it now. Let me see if some students study, which I think it's not no study, but my see. Let me call up some students. All right, Mr. Enfani, can you tell us everything what you remember about this segnale mobile di pericolo? Every process. What you remember about this guy? Because the right here say you go on your quattro frecce. They said that time where they necessary be say you want to go put that segnale mobile di pericolo for grant. But remember, say you cannot substitute it with that the segnale mobile di pericolo. Now my question is this: can you take us the process about that segnale mobile di pericolo, sir? Mr. Fine. All right, Mrs. Precious. Okay, ma. Can you tell us what you remember about this segnale mobile di pericolo? What we did last week? Mrs. Precious. I remember saying.
Sir, I
Okay.
not the class last week.
Okay.
I don't the last class last week.
All right. I go pardon you because I never seen the video. All right, let me see person with the class. All right. All right, Mrs. Blessing. Segnale mobile di pericolo, ma. Everything we remember, what we do last time. All right. Mrs. Blessing.
Sir?
Segnale mobile di pericolo. Can you take us, everything remember about it? Because they just talk about it here. So what be this segnale mobile di pericolo? Just take us everything that comes to you. What you write for your jota?
Segnale mobile di pericolo.
No, segnale mobile di pericolo. What did we do last week?
No, me, I never
Segnale di
hear
pericolo.
that.
Segnale mobile di pericolo.
So I know other people try now.
Segnale
People like
mobile.
No, I want I come. I know say other people go try.
I don't just get idea. I don't get the idea.
Hey, my sister, it's not fair. It's not good. It's not fair.
Hey, because the day you teach her, I don't think me and I not take class last week.
No,
so
you did class every day.
I did class
every day.
No, now the second part I joined. The first one I not join. So
No be excuse. Allora,
and the
Mr.
video,
Jeff,
you not even tell the
segnale
video.
mobile triangolo di pericolo, sir.
So this is a sign you cannot use this particular inside the city, only outside the city.
Okay.
And it is used to signify to vehicle that your car stop in Kadejata.
Okay. How many meters you go put on from your back of your car?
100 meter.
No, 50 meter.
In a distance of 50 meter,
Yeah. And it should be visible to which distance to other people? It should be visible to 100 meters to other people, sir.
100 meter, you have to place it in the Kadejata where the ingo.
Yeah, I have a question for you again. Where you go place them? Which particular part do they place that segnale mobile di pericolo? Where? In the carreggiata. Where in the carreggiata?
Close to the from the bankina, sorry, you place 1 meter from the borderline.
Yes, 1 meter from the borderline of the carreggiata, from the margin line of the carreggiata. Exactly. Thank you very much. All right. We don't do revision. All right. I'm happy that one person don't know him. All right. Now they can say yes. Now they can say, remember, say this your quattro frecce. No fish substitute that your segnale mobile di pericolo. They say you need to on this your quattro frecce. During that time, when we say you want to go place that in for grant. I remember we learned it last week. That moment when you want to go place that in for grant, you need to on this particular guy. See, it's still on. I still leave it on. I still leave my computer on here. They said that segnale mobile di pericolo. No need of going back. Let's continue, guys. So they can say, but remember, it cannot substitute waiting. It cannot substitute segnale mobile di pericolo. Your quattro frecce cannot substitute it. Let's continue. Quando per varia, all of you now should know this now. Il veicolo è costretto a procedere a velocità particolarmente ridotta. Now, because of the fact, say your car spoil, your vehicle is now going very, very particularly slow. You need to on your quattro frecce. Is it clear now? Next one. Quando si verificano improvvisi rallentamenti or incolonnamenti. Now, it makes sense because whenever there is, in the road, there is sudden slowing down. It might be your fault, maybe not your fault, maybe from your vehicle. Put your quattro frecce on. Think about it because vehicles are running very fast and your vehicle is now going slow because of a default. On your quattro frecce to tell other people, say, no, wait, I'm going to find a way because my vehicle has issues. Or incolonnamenti. What is incolonnamenti? Traffic hold up. Incolonnamenti means there is a lot of traffic hold up there. Next one. Quando la fermata di emergenza costituisce pericolo per altri utenti della strada. Yes. Let's say because your vehicle spoil, you now leave your car there. They said, when that consider the fermata di emergenza without constitute danger for other users of the road, they say, may you put your quattro frecce on. It's a way of telling other vehicles that, see, a particular vehicle spoil and my vehicle, that's why I put quattro frecce there. Is there any question here, guys? Is there any question here? See, students, we do all these things. Some people know they do. Yes. I can hear you, sir.
Can you leave it on? Maybe in a situation of a fermata, just to go maybe you leave the car on and press that button, just the quattro frecce. Maybe in order to go collect something outside, or maybe to go do one or two things to come back. Can you on this quattro frecce on,
Allora,
put it on inside the carreggiata?
inside the carreggiata, no. The patente never mentioned about this situation. What the patente mentioned is that you can leave your position light on. Now, if you leave them inside your carreggiata. Now, concerning in this situation, maybe you want to do something very quick concerning fermata, but patente never mentioned it here that you leave your quattro frecce on. Now, let me tell you one truth. People, they do them all the time. Now, the truth about fermata is this, that fermata means you are there present. Not be say because you leave your quattro frecce on, you want to stop, go buy something, come back. No, that's not fermata. It's a different thing, even if you leave your quattro frecce on. Is it clear? Because fermata means it's a temporary action. My car key is still on there. I'm ready to move again. Is it clear? So in this situation, it's not written here, so it is false. So, all right, guys.
Okay.
Luce bianca della targa. What is this luce bianca della targa? Our plate number. Now, do you know your plate number is white? Now, it has a bulb inside it. It has a bulb inside it. Is it clear? And they reflect light. It retro reflected. Even when they shine it light, it shines light back. Is it clear? Now, they can say, serve a rendere leggibile la targa posteriore del veicolo. What is targa? Targa is the plate number. The plate number, they call it targa. Posteriore because it's in the backside. Dei veicoli, dei rimorchi, e delle motrici. Motrice is that any particular vehicle that pulls anything. Is it clear now? Let's continue. Ad almeno 20 metri di distanza. Do you know that your plate number should be visible up to 20 meters? Please write it down, everybody. Your plate number should be visible to at least 20 meters. They didn't say 30, they said 20 meters. E funziona quando sono accese le luci di posizione. They say this your plate number light go on whenever your position light they on. Now, for those people who say that the vehicle they more than a little bit. Now, they say whenever, that means when you put your car key inside there, your plate number will be visible. Ed è acceso su crusciotto la spia verde delle luci. Now, they've introduced this word called spia, in which now something will start to see. They say the color of this particular spia is green. All right. That's it for this guy. I want to go further. Now, after this particular thing, I'll give us homework. Luce di sosta. What is that luce di sosta? What will be your parking light? Parking light. If you park, what light they show when you park? When you park your car, which kind of light they show? Now watch. Sono colore di bianco davanti. Like we said before, the lights in the front, they are white. Is it clear? They are white, like what you are seeing here. Now, if na backlight, they are what? Rosso dietro. Is it clear now? Rosso dietro. Now, giallo ambra, se laterale, but not every vehicle get this giallo lateral side, laterally. Now, not all vehicles have this giallo, that is white, yellow bulb. Not all vehicles. Some vehicles get them, some vehicles don't get them. Some vehicles get this yellow bulb laterally. Is it clear? Not all of them. Let's continue. E non sono obbligatori, infatti. Non tutti i veicoli ne sono dotati. And this yellow one is not obligated because not all vehicles have it. They say, I'm sitting here. Non tutti i veicoli ne sono dotati. All right, let's continue. Vanno accese solo quelle poste dalla parte del traffico. Now, you need to put on. This is your luce di sosta. Your parking light needs to be left on. You need to on them. Only that part that is exposed to the traffic. E sono da utilizzare solo nei centri abitati. Only for urban areas. That's why when you park, you will see a big red light that shines. Is it clear? Durante la sosta al margine della carreggiata. Now, when you're in the park, for the margin line of the carreggiata, that red light will show. Now, durante la sosta al margine della carreggiata, non sufficientemente illuminata, and there is no enough public lights there. There is no enough street lights there. They said that this luce di sosta needs to be left on. Is it clear? Mentre durante la sosta fuori dai centri abitati bisogna lasciare accese tutte le 4 luci di posizione. Now, if you can't find yourself outside the city, now, they didn't tell us because of what reason. Now, outside the city, you need to leave on all your 4 frecce on. They didn't tell you why. But if you want to guess, if you want to think about it, it can be because of something. You need to leave your 4 frecce on. Is it clear? And we already studied what it will make you leave your 4 frecce on. Now, they can't add here, say, you do sosta outside the city. Outside the city center. not inside the city where people they live. Now, they say you need to leave your 4 lights on, your quattro frecce, tutte luci your quattro luci di posizione on. Is it clear now? All right, is there any question here? Understand that this your quattro luci, it is very connected also to your luce di posizione. That's why they said, once you just put your car key inside, everything on. All right, guys, is there any question? Now, let's see. The next one is catadioptry. Catadioptry. Now, catadioptry has to do with this particular container carrying the bulb. You know, they call it catadioptry. That part is like a plastic something. They call it catadioptry. Are you following me now? They call it catadioptry. Now, what is this in particular? They say, watch. Some dispositivi di plastica. Now, they say it is a plastic equipment. A luce riflessa, they reflect light, che hanno la funzione di indicare la presenza di ingombro dei veicoli di cui sono applicate. Now, the function of this particular catadiopter is that it reflect the light, the hugeness, the reflection of the vehicle. What we say, whenever they flash light on it. Now, if somebody flash light on it, it will flash back. The work of this catadiopter, either it is white, yellow, or red, it will reflect. Is it clear now? That's the work of it. Now, quando illuminati, whenever they shine light on it, permettono, specialmente di notte, di rendere più visibile i veicoli. It renders the vehicle more visible. Is it clear? That's why when you park your car at the carreggiata or anywhere, once they shine a light, person will not say vehicle parked there. Is it clear now? Even if the car is not on, è rimorchi in sosta, guasti sulla strada. Anche se le luci sono spente, even if the person's own light is off, if it is being shiny light, it reflect light. Now, possono essere bianchi se anteriore. This catadiopter, like we said before, now the container where they carry the bulb. Is it clear? They say it is white if it is on the front side. E vengono applicati solamente sui rimorchi, semi-rimorchi e carrella pedicea. Now, guys, there's a big issue here. There's a big problem here, which I go always tell them. I'm going to take them with pins, with fork and knife. Don't take it very, very serious because here is very, all the time, some people, most teachers, they get some issues here. Now, with students. Now, it's not true. This I'm telling you now is not true. But your patente say that this particular light, the catadioptry in the front, it is applied only on rimorchi, semi-rimorchi, and carrella pedicea. Guys, it's not true. Even your auto vettura to have it. But your patente say like that. Is it clear now? Actually, the good thing is that quiz like this does not come out too often. But be very, very careful because we can see very well that all catadioptry in the front, they are white, even auto vettura. But the quiz is telling you that, your app is telling you that, that's how it is everywhere. They said, vengono applicati solamente on rimorchi, semi-rimorchi, and carrella appendice. On containers, they say I'm now. And they can't put the word only. That's what is even funny enough. Now, they can say, if it is red, se posteriori sono obbligatori per tutti i veicoli e rimorchi. Now, they say it is obligatory for all vehicles and rimorchi to put the red catadiopter in the back. Now, triangular form solamente nella parte posteriore di rimorchi. They say if it is triangular form, because some of them they get triangular form, some of them get circular form. They say they put them for the back side of rimorchi. Semi-rimorchi e carrella appendice. Now, gialli, if it is yellow, se laterale, per segnalare rimorchi, semi-rimorchi, carrella appendice è veicolo di notevole lunghezza, cioè quelli che superano 6 metri. Yes, it makes sense, but be very, very careful. I keep on telling you, no be only semi-rimorchi, carrella appendice, and rimorchi where they carry this particular situation. There are some vehicles, auto veicoli too, even auto vettura that have this, they have the yellow something there by the right hand, by the lateral side, but it's not obligatory. All right, guys, that's it about catadioptry. In this particular place, you guys should be very, very careful here when you are doing it. In the reality, it's not just like this. Is there any question here?
Yeah, there is a question. Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Now, when you talk about the spia, so according to you, say all the lights when they your backside, say there always a reddish in color, red in color. Now, the spia when it represents the light when they front, which is white, they different from there's all the spia for the red. They similar, or how would you understand as okay? This one.
Allora, to answer your question, I never do spia. I even tell us I'll give us homework. I never even do spia. I just talk about spia. We've not even done it at all. So you just You just answer my this in now, but that's why I'll give you guys as homework. Now, what have I done now? I don't explain to you the theory part of it. Now, the homework I will give you now, I'm gonna go learn about myself because me, I will ask question. Say the spear, I will ask question. It will be interactive lesson when we meet on Thursday. So I will not be teaching spear. I want to go learn about myself. I don't teach you now.
Oh, sir.
Why? No, hold on.
Please, sir, which of the spear are we learning
No
ourselves?
mind because my
Is it
brother.
for
No, he just said something because he knows about it. I want to talk about spear. We've not even start talking about spear. Please, I'm sorry.
because
We've
I
not even
thought
started talking
maybe
about spear at all.
for the
All right.
battery
He
or for
just
the
mentioned
audio.
it. Now, that's why I'm not telling you that I was intending to give you guys as homework to go and study the part of spear. We're about to get there now. We'll never get there.
Which
All right.
part? Is it the battery's part or the audio's part?
Eh?
You know, say spear de la batteria there.
Everything, yes. Everything we don't discuss, it gets spear. What I go do for? I won't give you a homework now. Now watch. What I go do for me now be this. You go and check every particular. Let me show you something. What I mean. So don't wait for me to come and teach you this thing. You have to do some homework by yourself. Spear. Now watch. You will go and learn this on your own. These are all spears. You will go and learn it. What will you learn? You will learn the spear. I'm giving you homework now. Not be saying after I will say you know the class. We are 15 of us here. Number one, you will learn the symbol of the spear. Everybody write them down. Excuse me. You will learn the symbol of the spear. Number one. Number two, you go learn the color. And you go learn what they represent. Then we'll discuss it. I'll be asking questions when we meet next time. Number one, you will learn the color. Memorize the spear. Memorize it, how it looks like. Number two, learn the color. Now, just three things I give you. Learn the color, because every spear get color. And also, if you can try to learn what it represents, it is good. Then we'll not discuss it when we meet. This is the homework I'm giving you guys. Let's continue. Fari Ferdinambia. Now, we're discussing Ferdinambia. Now, Ferdinambia is very important because Ferdinambia is also difficult. Now, we have Ferdinambia of two types. The one in the front and the one in the back. If it is anterior, if it is in front, they call it anterior. If it is in the back, they call it posterior. Is it clear now? Now, Fari means light. It's another name for light. Now, sono da usare durante la mar. They say you need to use this when you drive. In caso di nebbia, in the case of when there is smog. Da abbinare alle luci annabaliante. Now, add it to your jota. They say you can combine it with luce annabaliante. You can combine this particular guy with luce annabaliante. So it's not just only say this Ferdinambia alone. It's not enough to drive on the road. That this is not it's not playing again. Coming. Only this particular now Ferdinambia is what you see in the back. This is not the spear. This is not the spear. This is the real thing you see on your vehicle. Is it clear now? Now the Ferdinambia is down here. This is the bulb you see down here. They say it's not enough to use it only. You need to use it with under light. Is it clear now? All right. You need to combine it with under light. Let's continue. They say da abbinare con luce annabaliante in a case of whenever that pioggia is intense. All right, guys, we're about to close. Let me finish everything. I will discuss one or two things about the homework again. What I go do? Now we've mentioned it. Go and do it. Lampade per veicolo motore. Now, lampade means lantern. It's called lantern, lampade. It said, su un veicolo motore non è consentito utilizzare lampade that is not registered. You cannot use different light, lantern. Is it clear now? All right. Utilizzo delle luci per ciclo motore motore. Now, guys, what happens is that it's still the same thing we'll be discussing. Them too, they cannot use abbagliante. They need to use only anabbagliante. Everything that auto vettura can do or auto veicoli, it also applies for these guys also. We'll see it then we'll come back next week on Thursday. Now, I just want to go somewhere. I want to discuss something with you guys. Now, the same thing also for this disposable lucha. Now, for example, if you start looking down, you will see they start talking about spear. What I go do for me now be this. I'm not going to teach them. Like I was telling you guys. You will go to every particular, I don't know where you go and learn. Either you go to your app. Learn the spia. Now they say spia rows. Go and check every spia rows. Waiting like all the they're telling you that all the spia will get red light. They are trying to tell you say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you do for me now is that you learn the color. They said if na segnale di emergenza, they said the spia na rose na red. If na quattro frecce, they say the spia na red. If na say the temperature of your water dey overheat, na red will come out. And red mean danger. If you get insufficient oil for your car, the spia will come out na red. If you no put on your seat belt, the spia na red. If you put on your hand gear, the spia na red. So what you do for me now is that you go and start. You have to go and do it by yourself now. Go and check. Go and do research about all of them. Now, simbolo di proietori abbagliante. What you do, you open this particular guy on your own. Check what this thing mean. This is the spear for proietori abbagliante. Whenever you press this particular button in your car, in your dashboard, this spear, this is what they call spear. This is what you see. This is symbol. Spear means the symbol you see on dashboard. This is the one for abbagliante. Now you go and learn first thing. Remember the color, the symbol, and you check what it represents. Already, we don't do the theory part of it. I have a question for the class now. Before we close, let me see. Let me call one person here. All right, Mrs. Precious, more use you close for today. Remember, what are the two reasons that what are the only two reasons that will make you use abbagliante? Hello, Mrs. Precious. Time they go.
If you want to Corsia.
Abbagliante.
Abbagliante. If person is sick, I don't.
Wait till you write for your daughter. Check your daughter.
I know. It's
That's what I'm interested.
Over.
Hey, my sister. No, no good like that. You're not good like that. See,
no. Nothing more important.
Now I need a live same video like that. All right, Mr. Suji. Mr. Suji. The two reasons that will make you use your abbagliante. We just discussed it today. That was our lesson today. According to your jota, what do you write? Hello, Mr. Suji. Time they go. All right, Mr. Henry. The two reasons that will make you use abbagliante.
Poor visibilities and
no, hold on.
When they carry.
You say wait, hold on. What you talk?
Poor visibility, meaning if they drive for road when light not be.
For where? And, which road? For where?
Extra urbana.
Okay, that's number one.
Yeah.
Number two, where again?
When they drive somebody when they sick.
What did they tell us there? They say you go on them. What did they tell you? What did they tell you there? What was the message?
You flash and
you go flash them. All right, thank you, my brother. All right, I'm very happy that you jot this thing down. So, guys, now so la patente be. You see, I'm now. For example, Mrs. Precious, you know, jot them down. We don't finish them now. Okay, I know we send video. If I don't send video 1 week, you know, go remember them. It don't go like that. And this lesson is this lesson hard though. This topic they see here, they are hard, and these lessons are very costly. And you need to take them like that. Like play, guys. Watch. Okay, let's say we don't finish this particular topic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 topic now remain. What level you don't arrive to? If you don't pay me your money complete, what level have you arrived to? They say only 7 topic remain. 7 topic now. Something if we want to say we can finish in 2 weeks time. So where you don't arrive to? This is patente. They say I'm now. Please remember the method. Continue studying. Quiz tradotto a lot. I tell you the truth. Okay. Is there any question before we close today?
No, please, we can finish it 2 weeks so that you refresh our memory again. You do help us with revision.
I don't get wahala. We'll do revision. We'll do revision. So long as I say on a day interested.
Some topic you just jumped. You didn't touch it at all.
We'll do revision on those ones. Those ones are simple things. Yeah, you know, 1 or 2. We'll go back there again.
Thank you, sir.
All right, my people. God bless you very well. When I do quiz, study a lot because we don't finish. Have faith. Go and register for exam. No go register for exam if you never study. Fine, will fail you.
Our faith will make us pass.
No go register exam. You register exam.
First. Like wetin you learn go teach you
Our
say no
faith
fast.
will do fasting. We'll fast.
Yeah, wait, fast you all get somewhere already.
Wahala dey.
This way.
Good night, sir.
All right, now good night, everybody.
Good night, sir. Sir, please